sustainability and community engagement our action and mission. Urban roots and empower city dwellers to grow their own food products while avoiding consumption. Vision. We envision creating urban communities where everyone has the ability to grow, fresh produce, contributing to healthier lifestyle. Long-term view. Our ultimate goal is to transform urban space into one of productive environments, contribution to society. Urban roots seek to promote food security and environmental awareness in city. Logo design. The logo features a style of landscape pointing from a city skyline, symbolizing the blending of urban life with the nature. Application process. We will provide a clear information on our website on the application process, including steps, required documents, and expected timelines. Take and principles. Our introduction vision will highlight our commitment to quality through the customer feedback and continuous improvement in our product and services. Engaging video. The video will feature success stories from urban gardeners, showcase our products in action, and providing tips for effective urban gardening.